Hey y'all, it's Regina Morgan. I am coming back with another video, and this time it is not about my locks. This is about a hairstyle that I have achieved on my girl Aaliyah. As you can see, I want to basically talk about how we can turn this basic old school, a few ponytails. This is like a ponytail style that you used to get when you were a kid and have your hair combed by your mom or your aunt or your grandma or whoever combed your hair when you was a kid. And so now we're taking this basic hairstyle and we're turning it into several different hairstyles that you can achieve. We've also done some fun detailing, like put in the small cornrows in each section. And then we've also added the fulani or the tribal detailing of the braid with the beads at the end. So if you want to see some different hairstyles that can be achieved on this basic hairstyle, stay tuned. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Here I'm basically showing you the style of what it starts out as. Style number one, we're pulling all of the braids up into a ponytail using a ponytail holder, scrunchie, whatever. And there's that style. This can also be turned into a bun, which I failed to show you. Taking that down, style number two is coming up. We're going to do a half up, half down style. So the top three ponytails are in a ponytail, and then the bottom three are hanging down. Style number three, we're turning that into a basic bun at the top, and the bottom three are hanging down. So you got half up into a bun and the bottom hanging down, and you can secure that with hairpins if you need to. And that is style number three. Style number four is coming up. So we're turning those into Bantu knots now. And I believe on this one we're just doing the top three. Half up in Bantu knots, and the bottom half will hang. And that we'll secure with bobby pins or hairpins if need be. So you got half into bobby Bantu knots. So now we're moving on to style 5. And we're turning all of the rest of the ponies into Bantu knots. So total of 6 Bantu knots. And you have your detailing, you have your fulani or tribal braids hanging on the sides in each style. And then you can see in this one all of the detailing of the small cornrows. And that's what I'm showing you here.